Welcome to our channel, where we dive deep into the world of automated trading and fintech innovations. Stay tuned for insights and reviews that can change the way you trade. Is it really possible to automate your crypto trading with zero fees, zero coding, and actually get results in 2025? Today we're putting Pionex to the test. It claims to offer 16 free built-in bots that can run 24/7, but is it the best free trading platform out there? Welcome to FinTech Bot Focused, where we discuss, dissect, and implement all things automated trading. If you're into AI, fintech tools, or looking for smarter ways to trade, smash that subscribe button. You're in the right place. Pionex is a crypto exchange with native automation tools built in, and yes, they're all free to use. Unlike other platforms that charge for bot access, Pionex gives you 16 pre-built bots, no subscription required. It pulls liquidity from Binance and Huobi, so trades are smoother, spreads are tighter, and slippage is minimal. That's a big deal for automation. Grid trading bot, buy low, sell high in a set range, perfect for sideways markets. DCA bot, automate long-term buys over time, ideal for hodlers and portfolio stacking. Infinity grid bot, similar to a grid bot, but lets your profits run in bullish trends. Leverage grid and margin bots adds juice for risk takers but comes with higher stakes. And the best part? The setup is beginner-friendly. No coding, no downloads, just configure and go. Totally free to use, no subscriptions. Low 0.05% trading fees. Clean, easy UI for mobile and desktop. No code bot deployment in minutes. Real exchange liquidity equals fast, reliable trades. Solid for new traders or casual investors. Performance still depends on market conditions. Less flexibility than paid tools like 3 Commas or Crypto Hopper. No deep backtesting or advanced analytics. Limited strategy customization beyond templates. You're trading on Pionex's exchange. You can't plug these bots into your other accounts. In short, it's easy but not advanced. Great to start with, but you'll outgrow it if you need serious customization or integrations. If you want to dip into automated crypto trading without spending a dime, Pionex is arguably the best free option in 2025. Is it perfect? No. But for beginners or passive traders, it offers incredible value for zero cost, and that's rare. Have you tried Pionex? Got a favorite bot or a strategy that worked or failed? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear your insights and test them on the channel. And if this review helped, hit that like button and subscribe to FinTech Bot Focused for more no-fluff reviews on crypto bots, trading platforms, and AI-powered fintech tools.